Well, woo!
Real deer. Okay.
Nice.
Okay, this looks like a cooker of some sort. I guess it is.
Mm-hmm.
Using a knife to get off fuzz so that you can make more fire.
Yeah, and it worked. I tested this.
Ah, this one's
When I
cool.
was- Wow. Okay.
Ugh.
Whoa, they showed it
That was a
well,
little bit much.
but yeah, a little bit.
A good
Much.
representation. Okay, so a
Okay.
nice comfortable seat for your ducks.
Yes, for your ducks.
Mhm. Okay,
Quite
so
needed, but okay. Longer and better.
windproof.
Windproof.
Okay, so now we have some dirt. Nice
Yeah.
dirt. I guess
Oh.
it's for. They were using it as a filter.
Filter, yeah. But I wouldn't recommend to drink it because something was left there for sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get some nice fishies.
how to attract fish.
Yay, we caught a fishy.
Not bad. Money.
Okay, homemade compass. Yeah, I know that one. That's good. Hey.
Okay. Wow.
A nice
Not
whistle.
bad.
You can actually do that with a piece of grass if you put it in between your two
Yeah.
thumbs.
Yeah, I know.
Whistle. That one's
But
good.
it's not that sound. I mean,
It does.
it's
It
loud.
does. You haven't done it right. You
Okay,
know what I'm talking about?
okay. Maybe I did that.
We have to try again.
Yes.
Okay, so now we break
Nice.
this wood.
Alright, it's breaking the wood. For
Nice. A homemade spatula.
Now I feel
Tongs.
hungry.
I'm pretty hungry right now. I'm hangry as well.
And angry. When I'm hungry, I'm angry.
I know a
Actually,
lot of
what
people like
about
that.
you? You feel the same thing?
No,
like
no. I
angriness.
no. My diet's like very weird. So like I'll not eat for a long time and then I'll eat a lot. So if I'm hungry, I just deal with it.
Wow, nice for you. Nice
Thank
for
you.
Yeah.
How about you? Do you get hangry?
Oh yeah, extremely, and I don't like it. That I'm sometimes really angry.
I don't like it when I'm angry either.
So, huh?
I said I don't like it when I'm angry either. Okay, so we have
I like
some
the fact. Okay, anyway.
chalking some wood. Boom, 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 boom.
The
Nice.
action happens so fast.
Pretty cool. Oh, stack that wood like Jenga. Okay.
Yeah. So.
Twist this up.
Mhm.
Boom. And now hang your socks.
Okay. To tie it, this net.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pepper seeds for.
For fishing?
Yeah.
For
Ah,
grabbing.
lobsters.
So crabs? Lobsters?
Okay, we got some tape for the foot. For what? Are these just like homemade shoes?
Yeah.
They look like they're gonna cut your circulation off.
That's what I.
And your feet are gonna get
yeah.
really stinky and sweaty.
Yeah, but if you have no shoes, maybe.
Yeah.
it
Maybe,
is.
maybe.
But,
But at the same time, no.
Yes, the glue from this tape can leave some marks and.
Yeah. A nice stick system with some bait.
Bait?
Nice. It works
Oh.
great.
And already cooked.
Yeah.
Nice. You got.
It's impressive.
Yeah.
It cooks your stuff as well.
Okay. Wow.
All right, so we have a nice little oven thing there.
But wait a second. Oh, shovel?
Okay, it looks like it's gonna break after 2 uses, but okay.
But who knows? Maybe it's not that bad. Oh.
All right, we use a stick for
For
a
you.
backpack holder. That's pretty cool.
Yeah,
I would use that for sure.
Not bad, not bad.
I want to use these. I want to take people camping and just like start using all these random 5-minute crafts hacks. And freak everybody out. They're like, "Have you lived here your whole life?"
You know what I would like to see?
What?
How they put some of their crafters and put them on an island.
Yes.
And they need to try to survive with their
Only
huts.
5-minute crafts.
Yeah.
Nice.
Would you watch such a video, guys? Let
Would
us
you
know.
watch it? Let us know if you want to see us on that series,
Yeah.
because I would like to go.
Me too, actually. Yeah.
I think Butch would survive for the whole thing.
You think so?
Yeah, I think no one would be left alive except Butch.
No, but if he go with his helmet, maybe yes.
Yeah.
If without,
Then it's no.
he done.
No, yeah.
He done.
Okay, we got a leaf.
So leave for what? For what?
Use it as a but make sure it's not like poison ivy or something. Then you're gonna have a really bad face day. Okay.
Yes. What is the stone for what?
Got a nice stone. Make it elastic.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Gotcha.
Use it as a rope. Very good. Willow. For what? Drying moss?
No.
Setting fire? Making smoke?
Or maybe for your.
Ah, your s'mores? Your marshmallows?
Yes, of course. It's
That'd be
what
good.
you have usually, right?
Yeah. When I'm surviving in the wild, I like to make
Torch.
some nice s'mores.
Yeah. So, torch.
I feel like that would catch on fire pretty fast.
Before it make dirt dry, maybe that's fine.
Maybe.
That's good. Maybe. Uh-huh.
Nice for collecting water.
Yeah.
That's good. I thought he was gonna use it as a tent at first. So I was like, okay.
I hear somewhere that it's not healthy to use the water
From the rain.
from the rain.
It depends where you are, I think,
Yeah.
because there's like pollution in a lot of places. But I'm pretty sure if you went, correct me if I'm wrong,
Yeah.
commenters. But I'm pretty sure if you went to like, I don't know, the middle of the Amazon or something, it'd be okay.
Okay. Maybe, yeah. So, what is this cross for? Oh, it's a torch. Yeah.
Nice. Got some eggs.
Oh.
Roll them around, cut them open. Okay, that was a little aggressive. You didn't have to cut them like
Yeah.
that.
But the main point is it works.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Oh,
Nice.
boy.
That's cool. That's cool.
Wow. I would like to test it, not on the camera, but
Just for fun.
For fun, yeah.
Okay, strip down these things. Take off all their clothes. Okay, so now we're weaving them together.
Now we have a rope. Yep.
Nice.
Nice little rope.
That looks pretty dangerous with their hands there. Yeah, that's better.
That's where.
Vaseline. Yeah, that's a good fire starter.
Seriously?
Yeah, Vaseline.
Wow, I didn't know about it. Wow.
We should
but
test
how,
it.
Why it's flammable?
I don't know the specific scientific reason for it, but it's like
The interesting.
it's like how soap is used to make some like dangerous stuff,
The soap used the fat.
to make explosives. Yeah, exactly. But it's very flammable.
Gotcha. We need to.
We need to Google it and then test it.
Yeah.
Nice
So,
little
wow,
fish.
I love the shape how
Yeah.
they form it.
It's good.
Nice job.
Okay. Wrap up these guys and then what?
Oh, for your. No.
I'm confused.
Confused.
Okay, we have a nice tarp for some reason and we're putting it around. We're making a teepee.
It's seat.
Oh, it's a seat. Never
Yeah.
mind. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Looks adjustable too. Nice.
Sure. Yeah, my chat. Stool.
Pretty good. Better than sitting on a log.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're making our nice little like house.
Wow. Where she took so many cleaning film.
Should you have a mortgage on that thing?
Okay.
Okay.
And here we go.
Nice.
Yeah.
Protects her from the rain.
Not bad. Wow. This actually works.
Do you think they left it there until it rained and then they just like stayed there for a while?
Who would they?
I don't-
Actor?
Yeah.
For sure.
Or they just got a little spray thing.
You mean how they? I don't know, but
that's-
they
that's a
get
difficult
used
thing
to
to
spray
predict.
thing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
of course. I'm doubt.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Adjustable.
That's clever. So,
Okay, so if you have a knife and you get some tree sap,
Okay.
heat
it's-
it up,
Oh, it's a candle.
and it's a candle / little fire starter maker thingy.
Yeah, and also you can use it as a glue.
Yeah.
I saw some of their hacks. Okay, stones.
Okay.
Grass and
Adding all this, and it's a filtration system.
yes,
Very nice.
could be.
Safe to drink? Maybe.
Yes, maybe no. We don't know.
We definitely don't know. We're not giving any advice.
Yes.
No health or diet advice here.
Yeah.
Ooh, we got some nice beans. I love baked beans so much. Do you like baked beans?
No.
Really?
No, I'm not
so
a fan of it.
good. Oh, a little apple tea.
Apple tea.
Yeah.
Not bad.
I like it.
Okay, good.
A little tiny though. I need more. I need
Yeah.
like a huge apple.
You can use it a couple of times, right?
Now I'm thinking about baked beans. I'm gonna make some baked beans and eggs when I get home. I'm gonna have breakfast for dinner.
Okay. To be honest, what I'm thinking about now,
Sausage and bacon. Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. What are you thinking about?
I just waited.
Give us more!
That's what I'm thinking.
More reactions.